my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the question number 8 of the question exercise 9.1. This question is very similar to the previous question, that is question number 7. So let's see what the question says. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal to a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is what, 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. Now see here, you can see I have made the diagram already over here. What we have this statue, right? And this statue height is how much? It is 1.6 meter, and it stands on a pedestal. This is the pedestal AB. I have marked this point as AB, the top of this pedestal as AB, and the bottom of this pedestal is B. So this AB is what? It is the pedestal, and this AC which is placed on the top of it is the statue. We are given that from a certain point P, the angle of elevation to this point A is what, 45 degree, and the angle of elevation to the top of this statue with from the same point is how much? 60 degree we have. And what we have to calculate? We have to calculate this height of this pedestal. Now how we will move? So first of all, let's say the height of this AB is what? The length of this AB, which is what? Height of the pedestal is what? Let's say it is x meter. Clear? And what are given to us? The length of the statue AC is 1.6, and the angle of elevations we are given that angle CPB is 60 degree. It is the angle of elevation on the top of the statue. Similarly, we are given the angle APB also, which is 45 degree, which is nothing but the angle of elevation at the top of the pedestal. And what we need to calculate here, we have to calculate the height of the pedestal, which is what? AB, according to this figure to us. So here again we can imagine two right angle triangles. What are they? They are this APB and the CPB. So first we will what? We will work on the APB triangle. Okay. In the APB triangle, we have this angle of elevation. You can see here. In this APB, the angle of elevation is of 45 degree. We have taken this as x meter. Okay, so I'm applying the trigonometric ratio. First we will calculate this PB. Obviously the PB is coming in the terms of x, then no worry, we will easily handle it. Then we will apply the trigonometric ratio in the entire big triangle, that is C, P and B. Okay, in that case we will work on what? We will work on this entire CB part. So then when we eliminate this CA part from that BC, we will calculate the AB part, right? So in this direction we will move. So let's start. Let's change the ink first. Yeah. In the triangle APB, this was the triangle. Here is the point P, this is the B point, and this is the A point. And this angle of elevation was 45 degree, and this we have let as what? X meter. So if we apply the tan 45 degree here, okay, so what we will get? So tan 45 defines what? The opposite side of the angle upon the adjacent side. So what is the opposite side of this angle 45? It is AB, which is x meter. And what is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is what? PB. Right? Well, now what is tan 45? So tan 45 is what? 1. So 1 is equals to x upon PB. Now if you cross multiply the thing, so what we will get here, that PB is also comes out what? X meter. Now we will apply the trigonometric ratio in the bigger triangle, that is CPB. Somewhere at this point we have A. This is x meter. This also came out x meter. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. So in triangle CPB, if we apply the tan 60 ratio, tan 60 degree, what we will get here? So tan 60 degree is what? Opposite side of the 60 degree upon the adjacent side of the 60 degree. Opposite side is what? It is BC upon what is the adjacent side? It is PB. Now what is the tan 60 degree? Tan 60 is the root over 3. Now BC, can you write it as AC plus AB. We can write. And what is PB? PB is x meter. Now what is the AC? AC we are given. See in the previous slide, AC is how much? AC we are given 1.6 meter. So we will place this value here. So root over 3 is equals to 1.6 plus x meter upon x meter, right? Then on cross multiplying this x on the left hand side, what we will get here, root over 3 x is equals to 1.6 plus x meter. Now shift the other brothers on the same side. So x we will place on the left hand side, transposing it. So this becomes what? Root 3x minus x is equal to 1.6. Then what is root over 3? It is, if we write it up to 2 decimals, so 1.73 x minus x, which is equals to 1.6. Now 1.73 x minus x is what? 0.73 x is equals to 1.6. So what is the value of x here? So value of x here is 1.6 upon 0.73. Now remove the decimal here. We have to place 10 in the denominator, and if we remove this decimal, we have to place the 100 in the numerator. This 0 cancels this 0. So what we are left over with, x is equals to 160 upon 73. And if you're trying to convert it into decimal up to 2 decimals, so what we will be getting here, so 160 divided by 73 is 73, 2 times is 146. Then the remainder is 10 minus 6 is 4, and this was 1. When you place the decimal and put the 0 over here, what we will get, 73 1 times 73, and the remainder is 10 minus 3 is 7, and 13. This will become 13. 13 minus 7 is what? 6. If you place one more 0 over here, so somewhere between 9, 2.19 is approximately answer up to 2 decimal you will be getting here. So approximately how much? 2.19 meter is your answer. Now what is this x? This x is the what? The height of the pedestal. So what is the height of the pedestal? So height of the pedestal, which is nothing but AB, is how much? 2.19 meter. Okay. So this is what all about in this video in the solution. If you got the solution, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video with the next question solution.